Hello everyone, we're still here in Paris, Eurocore 2024. At this moment I'm here with my friend Thomas from Fluves.
Hello,
right?
yes.
Proper way of pronouncing the company name. Please Thomas, let us know what you do in the company, what the company does, how can you help us to overcome corrosion challenges?
Okay, so I'm Thomas Van Hoestenberghe. I'm the founder and CEO of Fluves. Fluves is a Belgian company located in Ghent, and we're specialized in using fiber optic technology, fiber optic sensing technology for energy and water infrastructure challenges. So that's in a nutshell the market that we're working in. What is our technology? Our technology is using a classical telecom fiber optic sensor.
Like the one we use at home for the internet?
The same one,
okay.
The same telecom fiber. Actually, we are able to convert that fiber optic, a cable and a long chain of sensors. Typically, we sense temperature, we sense acoustics, so vibrations or acoustics.
Okay.
And with these both parameters, by using the fiber or applying the fiber on a pipeline or high voltage cable, we are able to detect all kinds of anomalies, of leakages or challenges.
Why would you like to pay attention to sound? Can you listen to corrosion?
Yes, well, corrosion, you can listen to corrosion.
Okay,
but
tell me more about it.
We typically use it for leakage detection, because a leakage typically makes an acoustic sound.
Okay.
So that's what the acoustics are used most for. For corrosion, we use acoustics, but we mainly use temperature. And then we use it for corrosion under insulation monitoring. And how do we do that? We are actually monitoring the moisture inside of an insulation, because the amount of moisture and the location of the moisture is actually indicating where the corrosion is happening. So and then
you pay attention in that case to temperature?
Temperature, but also the acoustics. But temperature is the most important one and also the easiest one to monitor. Now, important is that we are able to monitor from the outside of the cladding. So it's retrofitting a fiber at the outside of the sheeting of the cladding.
That's the first time I hear about that option.
Yes, it's a bit, you could say, the differentiator of our technology. So it's easy to retrofit. You put a fiber at the outside of the insulation and outside of the cladding, and you're able to monitor the exact location and the exact amount of moisture, which is actually enabling us to predict and to monitor the locations where the corrosion is happening.
So we don't even need to remove existing cladding or thermal insulation to implement your application.
That's the beauty of the technology.
That's taking advantage of current technology. Great. And let's say for the hardware that you may need, I assume that it's not only required the fiberglass. You also need a piece of equipment to interconnect, to gather data, transmit data.
It's actually a laser. Looks a bit like a CD player, which is also a laser, but it's the same type of box. You connect your fiber to that laser, and that laser is shooting laser light pulses into your fiber. That fiber is reflecting back a bit of the light every meter, which is also making it fully AX proof, fully explosion proof, because it's only light traveling in that fiber. But you need that laser box, but you need to know that one laser box is able to have many fibers connected to it, and one fiber can be until 50 kilometers long.
Wow!
So you have like 50,000 measuring points just for one fiber of 50 kilometers connected to that laser.
Amazing. And so the application for corrosion under insulation, I think it's clear and quite appealing. I'm very glad to hear about this one. In your company, do you have other interesting technology or?
Well, the leak detection is, I think, also one very interesting one, and what is also the differentiator of our technology, that is, we are able to put the fiber inside of a pipeline. So leakage detection with fiber is already done for quite a long time, but that's by applying the fiber at the outside of the insulation, outside of the pipeline. So that is a common technology, especially for critical pipelines. But what we can do is for typically underground pipelines, is having the fiber installed at the inside of the pipeline by a kind of a hot tapping system. While the pipeline is still operational, still under pressure, we're able to put the fiber at the inside, and then we use the acoustics to monitor the leaks by a leakage signature detection, kind of a Shazam, you know Shazam?
Yeah.
It's a bit the same, you could say.
Interesting. And maybe to close out, do you think that maybe we are missing something that you would like to share about your company, or maybe clarify if this technology has been already proved in any oil and gas operator or water operator?
We have quite some projects, quite some pilot projects, but also operational projects. But now we're ready for the full rollout.
Okay.
So we do typically projects for a couple of kilometers, but both with corrosion monitoring and with the leakage detection and inside of pipelines. We are actually at the frontier, you could say, of large rollouts of many kilometers. So you can. We have many interest from big corporate, big companies for having this system installed for many kilometers. So that's what we really hopeful for. That will come the next.
If you allowed me, I have one more question.
Yes, go ahead.
Data. I mean, okay, you are doing your thing with your light signal. What about the data? Do you train people using your system? Or do you offer the system, the service of data interpretation? Who is doing the red flag? Who is detecting the possible issue?
Typically that's us. So our business model is actually a license fee for software that we provide, dashboard that we provide. That is our business model. Now there are clients who are typically more involved, and they want to do part of the data interpretation, the alarming. They want to do themselves, and we're quite flexible in that. But most of our clients, they receive from us a dashboard, they receive from us a periodic report, which can be monthly or can be 3 monthly, where they have the listing of the points of interest, so the points where corrosion are, points where leakages are, and they have it, they receive it, and they can give it straight to their inspection team.
Amazing.
So that's how it.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Thomas.
You're welcome.
We're in touch.
Thank Leo.
Bye-bye.
Bye.